Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Redmi 12. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now in the top search locate Firefox. You should be able to see the install button just like that. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app. Now we can customize a theme for like light or dark, whichever you like. Pick a toolbar placement. Sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, let's click on start browsing, and the browser is ready. We can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.